In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change space themes in Confluence. By the end, you'll know how to access your space's theme settings. Choose a look that fits your theme, fine-tune the appearance, and make sure everything displays exactly the way you expect. Start by opening the space you want to customize. In the left-hand sidebar, look for the Settings gear icon and click it. Depending on your version of Confluence, you'll see either Look and Feel or Themes. Both take you to the same place, the area where you control how your space looks. Keep in mind that only users with space admin permissions can change themes. If you don't see these options, you may need to ask an administrator to grant you the right access. Once you are in the theme area, browse the available options in the theme selector. Use the preview to see how each theme will affect your pages. As you compare, think about readability, layout, and your branding. Choose a theme that keeps text easy to scan, offers clear navigation, and aligns with your theme's style. Around this point, if you need to access Confluence, I've placed the official website link right at the top of the description so you can jump in quickly. When you've found the theme that fits, click Apply or Save. Your space will update immediately. Expect that some themes can change page layout, header styles, and the sidebar's appearance. It's a good idea to keep a few key pages in mind, like your home page, a long documentation page, and a page with images or tables, so you can check how those elements look after the change. Many themes include optional settings you can adjust. Explore color and font choices to match your brand, and review the sidebar and header layout to keep navigation simple for your theme. If there's a footer design setting, use it to add helpful links or lightweight branding. Aim for good contrast and consistent typography to support accessibility and readability. Finally, take a few minutes to preview and test across multiple pages. Click through navigation, check links, and scan text blocks, tables, and images to confirm everything displays properly. If something feels off, return to the theme settings and tweak the options until the layout and styles feel right. A thorough review now prevents confusion later. That's it. Change the theme, tailor it to your needs, and verify that content looks clean and consistent. Don't forget to preview your space thoroughly after changing themes to ensure all content displays correctly. Thanks for watching.